Good morning, dear children. This is your computer teacher Amrita Banerjee once again. Children, one last feature for the chapter number 3 advanced writer features I would like to share with you all. This is not there in your chapter, but this is one of the very good features, so you all should be aware about it. So, children, see, you can see one sample written in very light color over here in the screen. So children, this is what is called the watermark, and in the previous video I have just shared about it. Okay, I have given you different ways that how this watermark can be placed on the document. So children, I'll just go to this insert tab. Okay, sorry, the design tab, children, not insert, design tab, and in that this watermark option. Okay, so children, I will click on this custom watermark. So children, when you will click on this custom watermark, even you are allowed to enter some picture as your watermark. Even you can do that also. Okay, you can select the picture. Okay, you will click on this from here, and from file or anywhere you can browse the picture from your own system also. Suppose in the desktop I have this ink space picture, I will insert it. Okay, and I will apply. Okay, so children, see, this picture has appeared as watermark. This is one of the options. Now children, you even have the option to enter any watermark which you can customize. Okay, so I will just select this option, text watermark. Okay, and then children, the language is English. Font you can decide for the watermark, whatever font you want it to appear. Okay, suppose I want it in modern number 20. Okay, size, children, it would be, you can have auto size or any other size. You can have the direction of the watermark, either diagonal or horizontal, anyone, and here you will type the text. Suppose I'm typing the text as Amrita for the watermark. Okay, now I will click OK. So children, you can see now my name watermark is appearing on the pages. See, Amrita, this is the watermark and that is on diagonal because I have selected the diagonal watermark over here. Okay, in this setting, children, you can see diagonal, and if I will do it at horizontal and I will click on OK, you can see the watermark has got changed to straight watermark. Okay, and the picture one also I have already told you. So children, this is also one of the features in advanced writer features. So this you can use it in your document whenever you are required. Okay, mainly in some coaching institutes and some companies, when they give their own documents to the client, you can find this watermark in their documents. So this way you can put that watermark in any of the documents, children. Okay, now children, we are done with our chapter number 3. Now I will be starting the introduction and some of the basic explanations of our chapter number 4, that is more in calc. Now children, calc is the application which is used in Linux. Now I am having Windows in my system, so children, I will be explaining you the features of Excel. Okay, so here children, you can see on the screen that I have already opened an Excel file and I have done many things on it. So children, I will just start with the basic introduction. So children, Excel file, that is MS Excel, that is one of the it is present in the MS Office suite. If you have to open any fresh MS Excel file, how are you supposed to open? I will just close this Word file, children. Okay, and either you can right click on over here, you can go to the new option, and here see children, Microsoft Excel worksheet. This way you can open a very fresh worksheet. Okay, this way, or here in the search box you can type MS Excel. So children, it will be open. You will click on this and it will get open. So this way children, you can open the MS Excel in your system in which you are having the Windows. Now children, very first thing in MS Excel is that it is mainly used for the calculation purposes. Okay, suppose we need to enter some mark sheet or some result or anything, any kind of calculation, suppose some accounting purpose, all calculation related stuffs, things or data is entered in this worksheet, children, in this MS Excel. So children, one worksheet consists of, as in default you can add three sheets in one workbook. Like this is your book one. When you will say that this is the default name, you can give any other name also to this, but by default children you can add any three sheets to one. So children, I will just explain you. This is your formula bar. Okay, suppose I am selecting any cell. Now this cell which I have selected, children, the name of the column is E and the name of the row is 2. So what is the name of this cell, children? This is E2. So these are your column names, E, F, G, H, and all. These are your row names, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. Okay, so here comes the name of the cell, and this is your formula bar, children. Anything you will write over here, it will be appearing in the cell. Amrita Banerjee. Okay, now children, suppose I have written the full name. Now it is not visible because the size is small, so I will just put my icon over here. Okay, and I will try to increase the width of this cell. So even I can do that. So children, see, now the text is visible. Now children, suppose I have to change the font of this text. Whatever I have written, I need to change the font of the text. So what will I do? I will first select this text. I will go to this font style option, and suppose I have selected this Algerian font, and now I can increase the size of the font also, children. Okay, so now when the size of the font is raised, you will not be able to view it because it is very small. Then I will have to increase the width of my this column so that it would be easily visible, isn't it? So once I have increased the width, now you can see the name, whatever text I have typed. So children, these are the features which are available in the Excel. Now suppose children, for this particular cell, if I need to give some color to this text, I will select this cell, I will go to this fill color option, and suppose I am selecting this green color. So see children, the cell got colored in green. Now suppose children, I need to change the color of the text which I have entered. Suppose I have to write it in some yellow color or suppose blue color. Okay, so here you can see the text has got into blue color or yellow color. So you can do all this kind of formatting in your MS Excel. These all options are available. Okay, so now children, this is the way how you can enter the text, isn't it? So suppose I am entering some another text, suppose Neha. Okay, suppose Vishal. So all kind of text data can be entered. Now children, you can even enter some numeric data in this. Suppose you are entering the values like 2, then 78, then 42. So any kind of numeric data are also available which you can enter over here. Okay, so it is accepting text data also, it is accepting numerical data also. Now children, we can even enter the time. Okay, suppose we need to enter time. Suppose 9, like this is 9. So children, this is your time. Okay, suppose I need to enter suppose 12 p.m. Okay, suppose 12 colon p.m. Even that kind of such format for time is also available. We will see to displays any data in a specific format also. Now I am just letting you know how we can enter the data. Okay, so this way we can enter the time. Okay, time is acceptable in these two formats and even other formats as well. Like suppose if you want to give the time in 24-hour clock, so suppose 15:30. Okay, so even in this format also the time is acceptable over here. Okay, now children, suppose I need to give the date. So date, how will I give? If I give 5 and slash 06 slash 21, enter. So see children, even the date can be entered in any format. Okay, now suppose if I have to give the date in this format, 5 June 2021, enter. So see, even in this format also date is acceptable. So you can enter text data, you can enter number data, and you can enter time and date data. Okay, these all feature type of data is acceptable in Excel. Okay, now children, I will be showing you how to enter children some series. Okay, suppose children, I have written the numbers like 2, then 4, and then 6. Okay, I have written these three number. Now children, I'm going to select these, and I have selected till this cell, suppose. Now I will go to this fill option over here. In this fill option, children, I am selecting on series. Now children, all the column will be selected, will be filled with the series will be linear one. Okay, and every time there is a step value of 2, that means all numbers will be entered with a difference of 2, and I'm not entering any stop value. If I will enter any stop value, it will get stopped somewhere in some value. Okay, so I have entered just step value, and I will do okay. So children, you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This series has got entered. Suppose children, I will enter the series like 3, okay, then 6, then 9. Okay, suppose I am entering the numbers with a difference of 3. Now I will select these again. I will click on this fill option. I will go to the series option. Now the step is 3. Suppose now I have given a stop value of 99. Now means this column will get stopped once the value 99 is reached. So I will just click on OK. So children, see, since I have selected only till here, so it is here, coming till 54. That means if I am selecting even till more columns, it would be continued till I reach the number 99. Okay, till I reach the number 99, this series would be continued. So this way you can fill any kind of series in the Excel, children. Now children, suppose I am selecting this. Now I get an option over here, and what is the name of this icon? It is called quick analysis. So I will just click on this quick analysis, children, and see I am selecting this data bars. When I am selecting this data bars, children, the numbers are displayed using the bars. Okay, so it is very easy to specify or know the number which is highest and which is smallest. Now children, suppose I will just select this one, this next, another one, and I will show you the other features. So now children, again, suppose I have got the now children, suppose I have to color it as in differently. So I will just, okay, it is already colored in some way. I will just select this series, children, and then it would be more visible. So suppose children, I have selected this series. Okay, and I'm going over here. It's not happening, children. Let me enter some new series, and then I will show you. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and I will just enter all the values till here. Fill series. Okay, now children, I will be selecting this option. I have already shown you this data bar option. The bars will appear. Color scale, you can see the color of different color scale. Then icon set, you will get 2 different arrows to symbolize these numbers. So all these options are available in Excel, children. Okay, and also there is one more option that, children, like this is, if you are doing this copy cell, all options will get the same number. Okay, and when we were doing the series fill, so children, it will get filled as per the series. Like this is 2, 4, 6. So children, I will just fill till here one more time. Series. Okay, so I have shown you all these three options: data bar, color scale, and icon. Okay, so this is your icon. Then this one, I will again select it. This is your color scheme, and also this is your data bar. Three of the things have been displayed in this series. Okay, so these all way you can represent your numerical data using different features, and it will make your document very very attractive. Okay, so these are the basic things, children. Suppose I have entered some value. Now I have to edit it. Suppose this name I have written, and now suppose this there is a spelling mistake. Instead of Vivek, suppose I have to write Varun. So even that is also possible. If there is a spelling mistake in name of Varun, suppose I have entered as Varan. So even I can go over there, I can go to this formula bar and I can just edit the name and click on enter. So you can see, children, the name has got entered. Suppose if I have entered someone's admission number wrong, even I can go to this option in the formula bar and I can just correct it from here. So that's all. So it is very easy to correct the contents as in Excel. Now suppose, children, I have filled some series. Now I have to clear this value. So what will I do? I will first select this. Okay, and I will right click. In right click, I will go to clear content. When I will go to the clear content, children, all the contents will get cleared. Okay, so right click and I will go to clear content, so the content will get clear. Now children, suppose I need to, if I am, instead of clear content, I am selecting delete. So children, now I have right click. Now they're asking delete option. So children, in delete they will ask us to delete shift left one, cell up, entire row or entire column. Suppose I'm selecting, now I have selected a end column, so I will just select entire column. So see, children, the entire column has got deleted. Okay, in the similar way, children, suppose this colored row, this row I need to delete. Okay, suppose this row I need to delete. What will I do? I will right click, I will go to the delete option and delete entire row, and I will click on OK. See, children, the entire row has got deleted. So this is the clear content option, and entire row and entire delete entire column and delete entire row option. Okay, so this all you can do. Now children, we have an option of undo. Suppose I have just deleted it, I will do undo. So see, children, now it has reappeared. Okay, whatever I deleted, I just did undo, so the colored cell appeared once again. Now if I will do redo, so it will get removed once again, as whatever I have deleted, it will be done once again. So children, these are also two very basic operations in Excel. So that's all for here, children. In this video we will discuss the further features in the next video. Okay, thank you so much, children.